Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to pack up for Scotland. We're going on the motorbike trip to Scotland and we're going to pack some stuff. As you can see, it's very messy over here, but we're gonna tidy it up in a minute. I am using Raccoon 2.1, which is 2-person tent. That's gonna go on the bottom because it's the biggest part of my equipment. I've got it on the bottom. We're going to pack up my little table, which you will see in videos later on. On the top of it, we're going to put a little chair, folding chair from Decathlon. Really nice, by the way. And we've got 2 sleeping bags. I've got one cheap one from Lidl's, so I went to buy another one from Decathlon. Hopefully, combination of these two will help. We'll see. I'm going to pack up both sleeping bags inside. I've got a little top, and the next bit, that's my airbed, which is in this bag with the pillow, so which goes on the top as well. So I'm hoping to fit in over here as well my rain suit. There we go. But there we go. There is some room. There we go. So the bag is really easy to close. You just put it together, roll, as it says, roll bag. Clip it. I need to clip it. There we go. It's all done. Right, so I'm going to put into the little bag my little cooker. It goes to the bottom. Little stuff for cooking over here. So we're going to put my cutlery. I've got knife and fork over here. Fork is covered into the paper, just in case. Yeah, pop it in. Little plate. But we can fit gas as well. So we're gonna put it in to my pannier. Why do I need empty backpack? Because we're gonna go shopping, and if my all luggages are full, we need something to carry the shopping. So I'm just going to roll it, fit it in. And I'm going to fit here my shoes and probably my hygiene stuff over here. And that's gonna fit in nicely under it over here. Okay, let's close the pannier. So let's pack up our left pannier. So we've got it here. So we're gonna fit in my bag with all my clothing. So I've got here some stuff for, I'm prepared actually for 5 days. So we're going for 8. So that means I'm gonna have to do some washing. But hopefully we will find nice camping site with the laundry. So yeah. So as you can see, my little gym bag fits in perfectly into my luggage, and we still got some little bit of room on the side to fit something in, and I'm going to go for my extra underlayer for my jacket. So this is the winter one, so if it's really cold I'm going to use it, but I hope not to. But I'm just going to put it flat over here so I can reach it very quickly if I need to. So what I keep in my tank bag, it's first of all, the most important on all my trips is a tire repair kit with some pliers. So this goes in. Pliers we're gonna put onto the side one. So I'm just taking some tools. We've got some spanners and we're going to put them onto the side one as well. Side pocket. I think all the bikers knows this bit. This is a magic piece of equipment, zip ties. It saved my life many times. So we're gonna take a few of them with us. So I've got massive power bank over here. I've got one spare one with me. Both my lights into the tank bag as well. And my little one will go on the forehead as well, just in case if we need some light at night. I'm also going to put in my GoPro batteries. I'm not using any Scott oilers and I still got a chain, so I need some lube So I bought these two small ones, they fit better I believe. Let's see how long it's going to last for. Just in case, we can always buy one in some shops. So the bike is ready, just behind me, so all set up, and we're just leaving for Scotland, just waiting for my mate Chris, and we'll see what's happening. It's 3:25. He's supposed to be here at 3, so I don't know, I know he's packing up and he finished work. But yeah, we're all ready and all packed up. Let's go, I'll tell you my plan in a minute. We're gonna try to make it to Peak District and we will find some camping. The original plan was to book a camping. However, there's no spaces. Guess what? School holiday starting today. But I'm sure we will be able to find some nice spot for us for tonight, or we're just gonna get some wild camping. After tonight, we are going to move on, head to Edinburgh, and we're going to stay there for a couple of days. Visiting Edinburgh, maybe see Glasgow, see what's going on over there, and then all the way up north. So that's the plan, and I will talk to you tonight. I'm not going to record much from the road because it's boring, maybe motorways. So maybe a few shots, but I'll see you on the campsite.